Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best travel camera under $1,000 you can buy Amazon. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. Travel cameras are designed for people who want to take high quality photos on the go. They are compact and lightweight, so you can easily carry them anywhere. The best travel cameras come with a range of features that make them perfect for capturing life's most memorable moments. Other than taking higher resolution photos, they also have easy-to-use filters, wide-angle lenses, large sensors, and more. Many professionals prefer using these types of cameras because they are both reliable and versatile. Another reason people love them is that they are able to capture professional quality images on the go without any hassle. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. It inspires me to make videos like this. Number 5. Janger 4K. Janger is a 4K camera with a flip screen and a great user experience. It's a perfect camera for YouTube, travelers, and homemakers. With features like autofocus, 16x zoom, high-resolution photos, and built-in Wi-Fi, you'll be able to take professional quality photos from anywhere in the world. Janger 4K digital camera is a top-of-the-line camera for all your photography needs. Whether you're a professional or just a beginner, this is an easy-to-use camera that takes high-quality photos that will have your friends asking you how you did it. Number 4. Olympus. The toughest, most versatile camera. The Olympus Tough TG6 is a rugged waterproof digital camera that suits your needs in any environment. A hydrophobicity protector ensures a worry-free experience when shooting in wet conditions. The system's interface has been redesigned to make it easy to use, which is perfect for users who are new to photography. Whether your next adventure is near the coast, in the backcountry, on the water, or unfolding in front of you, get closer to it with the rugged, waterproof Olympus Tough TG6. This action camera lets you capture every moment with 4K video and 12MP stills while shooting underwater up to 50 feet deep. And no adventure is complete without sharing it with your friends and family. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix. Panasonic Lumix ZS80 is the perfect camera for travel. With a 30x zoom lens, optical image stabilizer, and an Unleasha lens, you can capture stunning photos and videos anywhere. You'll never miss a moment with 4K video recording and 30 FPS burst mode. This travel camera is lightweight and fits in your pocket for easy carrying. 30x zoom lens that can capture wide-angle photos of scenery, wildlife, and more, in the 4K Ultra HD video recording captures clear, vivid memories in motion. The built-in optical image stabilizer helps you take steady shots without the blur of camera shake. Number 2. GoPro. Capture and share your life's most meaningful experiences with the GoPro HERO6 Black waterproof digital action camera. Capture and share your life's most exciting moments with GoPro's newest action camera. The HERO6 Black shoots 4K video and captures 12MP photos. With its touchscreen display, you can easily adjust settings and frame shots, then instantly play back your footage. Share your favorite shots with text or private short videos to friends and family on the spot. Ready to go for a swim? Because the HERO6 Black can go 10 meters deep. Number 1. Panasonic. Panasonic Lumix FZ300 long zoom digital camera is a travel camera with the power of a DSLR. It has a 12.1MP sensor, 4K video recording, and Wi-Fi connectivity for those who want to share the fun on the road. Panasonic Lumix FZ300 is a camera that has been designed to capture all of life's important memories in stunning detail. This camera features a splash and dust-proof body, meaning you can use it in the rain. Panasonic's exclusive 4K photo technology uses 30 frames per second and high-resolution 4K Ultra HD video to extract them as photos. You'll never miss that moment again.